everyone, it's me DGB Diwata, and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to newest cover song of our very own Mission Souls. And this is Don't Stop Believin', popularized by none other than Journey, published 10 hours ago with 10,940 views and still counting. But before anything else, congratulations to Mission Souls for reaching 50,000 subscribers. You deserve it kasi sobrang galing nyo po. And thank you so much din sa pag-visit po sa aking for visiting my channel, and thank you so much for appreciating my reaction video. It's an honor na ma-visit ako ng artist na ginagawan ko po ng reaction video. Okay? So but anyway, ayan, pakinggan na natin ang Don't Stop Believin' ng Mission Souls. Let's go! Oh, look at the smile of Daddy Second.
Just a small town girl,
Stacy! Wow! Ooh.
living in a lonely world.
Goosebumps!
She
Bungat pa
took
lang
the
yan!
midnight train going
Wow!
anywhere.
Ooh.
Just a city boy,
Wow! She's a small mommy.
born and raised in South Detroit.
Wow!
He took the midnight train going anywhere.
Wow! Ooh, wow! My goosebumps! Look at Misha's fingers, oh! Ooh. Wow!
A singer in a smoky room, the smell of wine and cheap perfume.
Ang galing na magmami
For a
talaga.
smile they
Tandem
can
nito,
share
pak
the
na
night.
pa.
It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people
Refreshing eyes.
living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the
Ang sarap sa dibdib. Ang galing.
working hard to get my fill.
Wow.
Everybody wants a thrill. Ain't anything to roll the dice. Just one more time. Some will win, some will lose.
Ooh.
Some are born to sing the blues. Oh, the movie
Ang
never
galing maglaro ni Misha.
ends. It goes
Grabe.
on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night.
Taas! Eto na ang ating Rockstar Princess. Look at eyes and Daddy Second. Wow! Eto na siya. Ooh.
Believe it. Hold on to the feeling, yeah. Street lights, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on. Street lights, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on.
Ooh.
Street lights, people.
Grabe, ang galing, nag-enjoy ako. My God, Journey ito ha, Journey. Pero wala tayong maipipinta sa husay ni Mami Shin at ni Stacy. Wow! Oh, dito nakakabitin. Ang galing. Wow, grabe. Sobrang galing. Ang ganda ng intro. Pinapawisan ako doon. Oh, look at, I'm sweating. Ang galing. Wow. Grabe itong family na
Just a
to.
small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere.
Kaya gusto talaga matutungan kita. Oh my God, ang galing ng ating Rockstar Princess. Ooh! Ooh!
A singer in a smoky room, the smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night.
Grabe, hindi ko ma-reach yun. Ang taas. Ooh! Ang galing talaga magtini na
Working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill. Ain't anything to roll the dice. Just one more time. Some will win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes
Grabe si Nasis.
on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night.
Wow! Grabe! Pinapakisan ako sa galing nila. Ooh! Ano ginawa?
Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling.
Grabe si Nasis mag-play.
Don't stop believing.
Grabe yung ganun ko. Goosebumps ko.
Streetlights, people.
Look at that second.
Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Streetlights.
Kakabitin na. Ang galing nito. As usual. Ang sarap ulit-ulitin. O diba? Pinapawisan ako sa husay ng Mission Souls. Don't stop believing Mission Souls kasi malayo ang mararating niyo sa sobrang husay at galing na ipinapakita nyo. No wonder makikilala kayo saan mamsulok ng mundo. Okay? Don't stop believing, Mission Souls, kasi malayo mararating nyo sa sobrang husay na ipinapakita nyo kada cover na ginagawa nyo. I'm pretty sure Steve Perry, Journey, talaga naman magiging proud sa inyo sa cover ni ito. Imagine niyo yung combination ng voices ni ni Stacy at ni Mami Sheena. Napaka-powerful and sobra kong na-appreciate yung duet nila, no? Why? Kasi talagang it looks like international singer na pinakikinggan natin, kaya naman no wonder kapag ka napakinggan ito ng Journey, Mami Sheena and Stacy, I'm pretty sure baka naman Journey, invite nyo na ang Mission Souls, okay? But anyway, sobrang husay, o diba? I'm sorry for the noise background, no? Medyo nawala ako kasi maingay yung ating background, no? I'm sorry for the noise. But anyway, ayan, all in all, napakaganda na ipinakita yung performance dito. Sobrang kung sabihin, ang taas niya, Mami Sheena. Alam mo yung kailangan mong umabot ng hagdan para lang maabot mo ito. Pero Mami Sheena and Stacy, talaga naman minaninyo lang ang cover ni ito. And of course, ang ating napaka-simple at napakaganda na keyboardist na si Nasis na nagpakita ng husay din sa cover ni ito. And ang ating rockstar princess na si Neisha. Hindi ko alam kung paano niya nilalaro yung guitar niya kasi wala akong knowledge sa pag-play ng guitar. Pero masasabi ko lang, napakasarap sa tenga ng kanyang pagtipa sa kanyang guitar, no? And of course, si Daddy Second na talaga naman napapangiti sa husay ng kanyang mga anak at ang ating little drummer boy na si Ice na talaga naman masasabi natin apaka-fresh kasi bagong paligo pa. Ayan, congratulations once again, Mission Souls, for this wonderful cover. And if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from Mission Souls, please don't forget to subscribe, Mission Souls. Ayan. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button, all notification bell to get notified on my next video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe also akin DJB Israel. Ayan. Anyway, bye-bye everyone. Hope to see you again on my next vlog. Pasensya na po kayo kung medyo magulo yung ating background kasi nasa park ako because this is the last day of my day off. Kaya naman sinasamantala ko na habang nasa labas si DJB. Okay, so ayan, nakapang-araw-araw tayo. And once again, thank you so much, and always remember that music is life and life is style without music, because music is one of the closest things to a time machine. It brings us back to the memories of yesteryears. Bye bye everyone. I love you all.